I'm not a professional. I just play one on TV. Hello everybody, welcome back to the Klaus Crafts Restorations Reviews and Restore and all that stuff channel. We hope you had a nice time while you missed us to make another video, but we did a lot of fun stuff while you was all gone. Me and the Crow, we glad to see you back again. Yeah, we glad to see y'all back. Don't mistake that for a lot of drippy emotion, but we glad to see you. Glad to see y'all come back to check me and the monkey out. Screw the video. Just me and the monkey, that's what you want. That's the only thing you need. Yeah, it sure is. Man, you some kind of idiot. You know they're going to watch the rest of the video. They're going to learn something. Educate themselves. Become smarter. Make their brain bigger. It won't fit in their head. Just like my brain. Man, I'm a smart monkey. You know what, Crow? I was thinking. You was thinking. I don't think I want to know what you were thinking. I was thinking, if you're a man and your last name was Willie, man, here we go. One of those crazy ass things that monkey gonna come and think of. Get ready. I was thinking, if your last name's Willie and you're a man and you got married and you had a kid, people would be calling you Papa Willie. Man, that was awful. Man, I can't believe how bad that was. I don't even know what to think about something like that. Man, I am packing my bags and I'm getting out of here. Man, I quit. I am getting tired of them jokes like that. Getting the hell out of here. I mean, well, I guess I'm going to be doing the show alone now. That's good. Good riddance to that bird. You always causing problems anyway. I'll tell the story about how we're going to watch a video of somebody making a beautiful dog bed for a wiener dog. Man, do you think I was really leaving? I can't leave this show. Man, I love that monkey, the bastard. Yeah, I love my cornfield. I love my corn, everything. I love the ground. I love it all. Yeah, I heard something about a dog bed. Man, that brought me back real quick. I want to know about some dog bed. What's going to happen with it? Yeah, this guy going to build a dog bed for his wiener dog. Man, I thought you was going to say he was going to build a dog bed for his wiener. Man, I was getting ready to jump out of this cornfield real quick before people started throwing rocks. You know how people throw them, when they throw them at you, I'm going to get it too. Man, if you build a bed for your wiener, it'd have to be micro version. I'll build me one, it's going to be king sized. Anyhow, man, we're going to be building that dog bed, and I'm going to help. You may see me in a video if you look close. I'm going to help. I'm going to smack that hammer, and I'm going to beat that hell out of that bed. Dust going to fly everywhere. Debris going to go out the door, on the window, through the ceiling. And when the dust clears, pure beauty, baby. Pure beauty. And that wiener dog loves that bed. Man, I'm telling you, if I had a bed, I wouldn't use it. I perch on shit. I perch on all kinds of stuff. I perch here, perch there, perch on electric line. I almost got electrocuted. Bring out the barbecue sauce, all that. Man, but let me tell you, this dog bed gonna turn out great. I don't see the video yet, but I just know the craftsmanship of this guy is perfect. Spot on, baby. So without further ado then, let's go watch that video. Now I'm gonna tell the joke. Man, our joke department's not been in lately, so I just have to make up some crappy jokes on the next couple videos. So deal with it. Enjoy it. If you don't, screw it. Laugh, don't laugh. I don't give a damn. I ain't seeing what you're doing anyway. So here's the joke. What is yellow? Hope I didn't tell this joke before. What is yellow, purple, brown, rolling down a hill? A bruised banana. Monkey, you son of a bitch, I'm gonna throw trees in a minute. What the? You ruined my punchline. Well, anyway, it is a banana. So go enjoy yourself, enjoy the video, and I'm going to go there and smack that crow red. Man, he done it now, can't even talk. So go enjoy that video, have fun, and we'll see you next time. Yeah, we sure will see you the next time. And I'm going to go ahead and go start building me a rock fort for that monkey starts throwing bananas. And goodbye, people. Okay, I'm putting this foam on. I cut this little piece already. This one's marked. I'm going to slice it. I'm going to put the covers back on when I'm done, but this is not the cover. This is not the cover that's going to be shown. It's going to be covered up with PU leather. but I want the foam back in this for extra protection. You can use a bread knife to cut foam. It works really good. Don't need scissors and all that nonsense. And if you cut really thick foam and stuff, invest in a better cutter, which I need to do. And anyway, I'm making this dog sofa for my Weiner dog. These are on here so firm, you won't believe. I didn't video it because my camera woman was doing other things and I had to get this built. I couldn't wait. Just built this out of a plyboard. I keep saying plywood, it's plyboard. It's different. I built this out of plyboard, has no layers in it. Then I put the back on it right here. I put these here to hold it. Here's 2 foot by 3 foot or so. I forgot the exact measurements, but because this went up some like this, put these on and stuff, it's a bit shorter. I measured my dog, so this will work fine. Okay, when I put these on, these are not screws, these are bolts. These are not screws, these are bolts. And when you're doing upholstery, like in a sofa, dog sofa, don't matter. When you're doing upholstery, sofa, dog bed, dog sofa, it don't matter. If any of this stuff sticks up like this one, nobody cares, because nobody's going to take this thing apart and inspect it. And you see the type of foam that I was forced to buy. I just picked it up, ripped, so I'm putting the cover back on. This is not good, but because of the pandemic, I can't get to the city and buy it. I have to order what I can get. I'm not going to risk my life over a piece of foam. But this here, if you ever build sofa frames, chair frames, or anything, you'll learn that stuff like this does not matter, because this foam will go over it. Overlap the foam a little bit so it can go over this rough part. If you take any sofa or chair apart, anything that's upholstered, you will find out, no matter how expensive and au joie it is, I don't care if you paid $200 for a sofa or $2,000, take it apart. You'll find nails sticking out in places, bent nails, all sorts of stuff, because nobody cares. That's just the frame. But I put the back on. I used super glue to hold it on oily super glue, because it's really good. Then I put brad nails under it, and I put these braces on the back. I cut the braces to size. I held the wood up to this corner and held it out to here, and then I marked the line so it would go up, and then I put them on here. This one's a hair rough, but I'm going to do a light sanding when I'm done. The legs here already got their light sanding, but I didn't do this one because I put it on the day after this. How I made it lean like this, I put a 4-degree bevel on it, I believe, on the saw, when I run it through the saw, and it leaned it. Now you want to test your bevel on a piece of scrap wood, because you don't want to run it through and find out that it's too far back. If it's too far up, you can saw it again. If it's too far back, screw. There's a hole in here and here, so I can pull the upholstery fabric, the PU layer through it, so I can cinch it down on the back side. Now, it don't have to go down on the back side, but it's better. So it's going to be pulled through the whole side, so I'm going to have to determine how that's going to be done when I pull it through. Now this here, this bolt is, I think, 4 inches long, 4 inches. So when I drilled the hole down far enough so the bolt can get through it. The hole snug enough so the bolt can go in it and still grab the wood as it turns in. It's not too loose. Then I took the bolt out and drilled a hole the size of this. Now the bolt fits in here fine, but this is larger than the bolt. So you're going to have to get a larger drill bit to drill, and then you're going to have an Allen wrench to screw these things in. You screw this part into the black leg. Then I took this T-nut here, which also has threads, and I put it on the bottom of this. And then I drilled through here, because you have to drill a hole also that the bolt will fit through. And I put the bolt through this and into this and in here. That leg never gonna come off. That wood have to rot away before that leg ever come off. Really strong legs. That's what you need. Just to fit the back panel of the sofa. And when the pieces are cut, I'm going to stuff it back in this pretty little pink bag it comes with. But like I say, this is not the upholstery part. The upholstery part is going to be in brown PU leather. But I want this garbage, crappy foam back in here for extra support to protect the foam. So what we're doing is upholstering it now. We've got to pull this back to the back side. I should put the back side on first. But anyway, we're going to pull it through. As you can see back here in the back, what it looks like. This will be trimmed down with a razor, and it will have this block on it so you can't see it. This stuff can either remain the same, or it can be painted, or you can get the upholstery black and put over the back. But I'm going to leave it the same because I want that wood look on the back. If I don't like it later, it's going to be against the wall. If I don't like it later, I can put the upholstery black on it, wham, bam, and I'm done. Got some mosquitoes in here terrorizing the place. So here's one right now. Where'd he go? I'll leave it in with the background. I think it went out the window. I'm not a professional, I just play one on TV. I'm not a professional upholsterer, I do what I can, how I can, and if it works, it works. If it don't, then it just has to be good enough. Yep. I'm trying to hone in my upholstery skills, but I do so little of it. Yeah, this is what the bottom looks like now. Later on, not now, I'm going to put some black upholstery lining under it, cover up the board. I'm not going to do it right now. Right now I want to get it done and get it in the house. That's what it looks like right now. I'm going to put some black upholstery fabric under it later on. I'm not going to do it now because I don't got any. I'm going to have to try to find some and order it. But can't see the bottom now anyway. I won't be able to see the back either. It's going to get to the wall. So now I'll put this back cushion on. It's ready to go in. Weiner dog will be here soon. Right here. A dapple wiener dog. Right here. Okay, it's all done. I'm going to go ahead and put these blockers in the back to help out. And this here will be dealt with at a later time with a different type of fabric. So like I said, I have to order it. But this is pretty much it right now. And hey, look, I'm on Delancey Street. Nobody else on Delancey Street? Okay, I got this finished. I'm going to put it over here. This here is my show you how to do it in the future sponge. Ooh, it's future sponge. Look at it. The future in the present. Unless you're watching this too much from now, it's the past. Ooh. What I'm going to do with this right here, this Viagra. What I'm going to do with this right here, I'm going to bolster some back in here because there's a gap in there because I like to say they go professional. Upholstery, but once I get it done, bolstered in there, the bolster will be stuck in there with 3/4. I'm going to use a 3/4 turn. That's an upholstery term. Look it up. I'm not saying it. I'm going to use a 3/4 turn to stick this in there so it won't come out. It's going to be brown just like this. I got some more brown over there to do it with. But because I don't have I'm waiting on an order to come in, so I can do that. So I can't do it now. But since it's so simple, I'm not going to video it and add to this simple 20-second thing to do. This foam actually came in today. I've been waiting over 2 weeks for this foam. And I'm still waiting on a little bit more stuff so I can finish this up. Including the stuff to finish the bottom, the stuff to finish the back, and the stuff to bolster with. So, when you see this in the future, in a video sitting in the living room, and when with your dogs on it, you're going to see, if you pay attention to the video, you can see the bolstered part, and you won't be able to see the bottom of the back finish. It's hidden. You'll be able to see the complete finished bolstered part. And that completes this video. If you like it, share it, subscribe it, give me a thumbs up. That direction. Thumbs up. If you don't like it, screw off. If you do like it, screw on. And I'll see you next time. Class, restoration, crafts, reviews, upholstery, painting, art. I do it all. I should change that to Klaus Do It All channel. And as for upholstery and why I don't hire a professional, because I don't got the damn money to hire a professional for one. And number two, I want to learn how to do it, and you only learn by fucking up 100 million times. But in a couple of years from now, I'll be a professional. If I could upholster every day, I'll be a professional in 6 months. But because I only upholster 2 or 3 times a year, it's going to take me forever. But I'll get it. Goodbye.
Chicky, you like it? You like your small sofa, Chick? Go for her now, go for her now. Go for her. She like it, love, look. Yes, she's happy. Go for her now. Hurry. See her, pull her ba?
Light bulb changer.
No, baby, so she'll go in there.
Come on, light bulb changer so I can see if it fits in here. The chinks! You looking chinks? Wow, Chinks has got her own dog sofa. Took forever to build because that sponge took forever to get in.
You like it? She got a small sofa. Where do you want it, Chinky?
Over there where the piano's at, just move it out. This is the Weiner I make this for.